Before installing the adjustable bed, make sure you have a clear path to the setup area and a clean workspace. Clear all bedroom furniture and clutter from the area. Always use 2 people when moving or handling the adjustable base. Place the adjustable base box with the logo face down. Open the seal around the perimeter of the carton. A dull edge is recommended to prevent any damage while removing the packaging. Be extremely careful when using a blade or sharp object. Once you have removed the top carton and packaging material, detach the owner's manual and warranty card from the accessory box and hand it to the customer. Next, remove the legs from their packaging. Then remove the electronics. The electronics will consist of a remote, power cord, and a power supply. Remove the mattress retainer bar by detaching the twist ties at each end. Remove the bags attached to the struts at the head and foot section of the bed. Install the legs at each corner, making sure they are screwed in as far as they can go. Detach the power down box by removing the twist tie that is holding it onto the base. Next, detach the input cord by removing the twist tie that is holding it onto the base. Connect the input cord to the power supply box. Connect the power cord into the power supply box opposite side of the input cord connection. Then plug the base into the outlet or power point. It is strongly advised that a surge protector be used. Insert 3 AAA batteries in the remote. Install the mattress retainer bar. Test all functions and confirm the base is operating as intended. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please contact us through the contact information on your warranty card.